My Adamarama, as I always call you. 9 years of friendship with you, and I have never regretted for once. I know you're very excited, and I'm super excited too. The day has finally come, and I want to use this opportunity to wish you a happy married life. Lots of happiness, lots of children, and lots of love.
My beautiful friend Ada, knowing you has been one of the best things that happened to me these 9 years. We knew each other as girls and we've grown to become these beautiful women we've become today. And today I'm here watching you getting married to the man of your dreams. I have no doubt that you'll be a very wonderful wife to Chinedu. And as you begin this new life with him, I know we might be separated by distance, but I want you to know that you always remain in my heart, and I'll always love you. And I hope that our children will become friends just as we are.
Confidence, oh baby, my love. Nakata no didi, nakata no didi, oh baby, lele no, lele no. Oya putabanu, iyewe jekwe mewe. Oya lechabanu, oya tekwe kwa mume. Asa menitewe, iyewe jekwe mewe. Oya surugede, oya tekwe kwa mume. Aga meburu manya, bujere papa kiyo. Anige sepwane kogozi emuna kiyo. I want to give you a ring, oh my love, oh. I want to take you to church, oh my love, oh. I want to give you
Adagawa Jatolagala
oh baby, oh, if not be you, nobody better than me. Nakata no didi,